Bill here with another edition of the Metals Minute. Today is Wednesday, December 1st, 2021. We have a lot going on right now. We have Chairman Powell admitting now that transitory is probably not the best word to describe inflation. And we've been saying that the same thing since it was first mentioned. But now the authorities are beginning to realize that inflation is a bigger problem than what they initially suspected, and now they expect that it can go on longer and get a little further along than what they originally indicated. So we have that going on. We have reactions to the Omicron variant of the virus. We have China saying that they are closing more ports and they're refusing entry of crews of ships that are coming in to cargo ships to transport goods. So that's going to further snarl the supply chain issues and the availability of products worldwide. We also have various travel restrictions, including in the United States, restricting travel, international travel, and in some nations, even national travel is being hindered due to concerns about the new virus variant called Omicron. And we also have a looming possible government shutdown over disagreements about debt ceiling limits and vaccine mandates in Congress. And so these things, we don't know for sure how they'll play out, but it's created a lot of uncertainty in the markets. It's also caused some margin calls on Wall Street, and so we've had some pressure, selling pressure for various things, metals included. And so right now things are on sale. We have some good bargains out there. I think there's a lot more at risk in the stock market right now than there is in the metals sector. So keep that in mind if you're allocating capital here at year end or making some final investments for the year. I would recommend looking at precious metals. Gold, silver, platinum would be my choices. And maybe consider lightening up on some of the equities out there. Now, another thing you may want to do, because there are supply chain issues, and it's not just the boats that are offshore in California. There's now also difficulties in China where a lot of the products are sourced, and the ports over there. So if you can, stock up not just on metals for the intermediate and long-term future, but if you can, stock up on some essentials for the short-term future. We never know what may happen, and so it's better to be prepared and be able to get by for a few weeks where you live, in your home or your apartment. It's never a bad idea to plan ahead. So we hope you're doing well and you had a good Thanksgiving, and thank you for tuning in. We'll see you next week.